For TraderInsight.com, I'm Julie Manns, and this is our look at trade ideas for tomorrow. First, let's look at what happened with the trade ideas I gave you yesterday for today. I hope you really did take a look at those because we had SBRA Sabra to the upside, and wow, take a look. On the right side is your 5-minute chart. This is your daily. It opened pretty much in line, pulled back a little bit before starting to head higher, failed, and then came down to this beautiful pullback to our support 1 pivot level and has been trading all day for at least 50 cents worth of opportunity in that one. I also gave you KNX as an idea for today, and you can see that it opened fairly in line with what was going on, pulled up to yesterday's closing range, and then when it headed back down off of some double header, that's some terms and ideas we use within our trading room, came back down to the pivot level, and there was at least 60 cents worth of opportunity in that one. And finally, from yesterday, we had Keysight Technologies. In this one, again, similarly, it opened, traded higher, and then started the pullback down through the first pivot and down through the second pivot and a little bit further. So there was also lots of opportunity in that one today. I hope you all caught some of that. We had some great trades in our trading room today off of our two separate plans that have a couple different philosophies. AEM was one that opened, and if you automated it the way we teach you how to do, you could have your computer go ahead and grab that. And it had lots of opportunity in that stock today. And we also had opportunity in ASH off of that trading plan today. You can see here it is on the daily chart with what those trades are planned from the evening before. So you have levels of entries, exits, targets. So it's all pretty much spelled out for you, and then we can also teach you how to get your computers up to snuff. So when you decide whether or not that's a trade you're going to want to take, you can just push a button and there you go. Okay, what have I got for you for tomorrow? So to the long side, I'd like to circle back to SBRA Sabra and see if we can't squeeze just a little bit more out of that. That would be a very short trade to the upside. Be aware on a daily chart that up around 1920, and then again, even 1876, where we're pretty close to that, you'd want to clear these points here. But I'm going to keep it on my chart because you never know. Sometimes when they come to buy, they keep coming to buy. Now I have two shorts I want to show you. Actually, three shorts I want to show you. The first is CMS. This was on our trading plan today. It actually did make some moves today. It is now closing fairly in line with where it took off. Let me scale that chart appropriately so we just have 20 cents in between the markers here. So you can see that it's pretty much been horizontal all day. So it has not violated our trade, and it certainly hasn't gone in the direction we were wanting, and it hasn't violated it. So I'll keep that on for tomorrow. These last two are from a special hotshot sort of a plan we have that is called the Fastball XRV, but these are leftovers from that plan. This one is BDC. So this was on today's plan, and it was a short, and you can see it did make its short price today, but then pulled up so radically, it's sort of back to where we would get in again, except it's late in the day now. So I'm going to have that one on my list, and similarly, FIVE, same story. It is pretty much at break even now, so we are going to keep that in mind for tomorrow. It won't be on the formal trading plan, but that's why we like to take those trades and see what we can get out of them the next day, and I like to give them out to you to give you some great trade ideas from TraderInsight.com.